Our girl puppy really doesn't like thunder or fireworks, and she hears those, a couple of times a year. We're in the desert, so the thunder doesn't happen often, but when it does, it's really annoying to her, and that's probably why it's so frustrating, because it only happens every once in a while. So I've heard about these Thundershirts, and we tried this one out. It's a Thundershirt Sport, and let's try it on her. And here she is. So we can unvelcro this thing. Slide it over her head there. And this side's going to go underneath her. And then snug up on this side. And then this flap will come down and hold her real tight. I think the idea is to be giving her a hug all the time. It's got this thunder spray patch. I imagine you spray something there, I'm not sure about that. But I think the idea now is that she's got this holding her and she feels more secure. We'll have to give it a shot next time there's some thunder or fireworks. Hope this helps.